Cruzy, why don't you get out of that hole and go down by the ocean? There's Dadley. You get out of there? There's Doc's. Here's Fort Myers. And there's Vanderbilt Beach and Naples. All the way down there. How's it feel, buddy? Here, wait. Tell mommy. Tell mommy. Look. How's the water feel? Come here. Come here. Does that feel good? Oh, don't get mommy and daddy all wet. Stinky? No. You can't be naked at the beach. Cruzy, did you like seeing the dolphins today? Oh, he's mesmerized by the water. Oh no, did you get a little splash on you? Cruzy, say bye-bye. Cruzy, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye.